Hello, I'd like to take this opportunity to explain to you about the Hariba Medical Quality Slide Programme, or QSP. We now have a new version 2, which is a total refresh of the system and also enables users to have concurrent users should they purchase a multi-user license. So what is QSP? QSP is a digital morphology competency assessment tool that you can also use for training. QSP is installed onto a Trust PC, and with version 2 we now have the ability to have a multi-user license or a single user license. The multi-user license enables up to 10 concurrent users to use QSP at any time. QSP itself has an unlimited number of users. There are two levels of users, assistant and expert. And if you think about the expert as being the manager who oversee the system, download the packages, and also can see how individual assistant users are performing for each slide. The assistant users are able to produce their own reports, but the assistant users cannot see other people's reports. The report themselves is a very powerful object, because at the end of the report, and we'll show you later on in this video where we look at the product itself, the assistant user can see the cells they got wrong. They can see what they called the cell, what the cell should have been classified, and a picture of that cell, enabling the user to get an instant feedback. The expert users are able to produce reports indicating how each user performed for a particular slide. Slide packages are published on the Hariba Medical website every month. Each slide package contains up to 6 separate slides. These slides are digitized from real patients. It's up to users as to whether they want to download a slide package every month or whether they just want to download a slide package as and when required. When the slides are brought into the system, the expert users have the ability to reclassify those cells to their own individual site's requirements. For example, the external expert might want to classify atypical lymphocytes as separate entities, but on an individual site they might want to report atypical lymphocytes as lymphocytes, but then put a comment on the report that there are multiple atypical lymphocytes. So version 2, it's a complete refresh of version 1, with the big thing being the option of a site license, which allows up to 10 concurrent users at any one time. What I'd like to do now is to actually show you the product